Welcome to eKonten.ai, your smart financial analytics platform. In the next few minutes, you'll see how easy it is to import your data and explore powerful dashboards, unlock advanced analytics, and even talk to your business data using voice. Let's get started. Let's begin by bringing your data into eKonten.ai. Are you already using an ERP or accounting system? With eKonten.ai, you can connect directly to your existing software and pull data automatically, with no manual exports required. From the sidebar, click API Connectors and then click on the New Connector button. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to choose from platforms such as eKonten 360 ERP, QuickBooks, Xero, SAP, Oracle NetSuite, Microsoft Dynamics 365, and Zoho Books. And if your system is custom-built, you can still connect using a REST API or an OpenAPI Swagger specification. Setting up the connection is quick and simple. Enter your API-based URL, provide your credentials, and define where eKonten.ai should fetch your sales, purchases, and expense data. Finally, set the frequency for the automatic data pull, and you are done. On successful data sync, the system will show you the result of the data pull. Now, you can navigate to the dashboard to see the stunning reflection of the latest data fetch. If your data is still in spreadsheets or your ERP doesn't provide APIs, no worries. Just head to the sidebar, click Import Data, and upload your data manually in minutes. The upload area is right in front of you, making it easy to get started. If your file is not ready yet, you can download the sample Excel template. It's already structured with the fields you need, so you know exactly how to format your data. Simply drag and drop your Excel or CSV file or click to browse from your device. eKonten.ai supports both formats and automatically detects important columns such as dates and amounts. After upload, you'll see a clear summary showing the number of records imported and the date range covered. You can also save your data to the cloud for access across devices by activating the Save Data switch. Once your data is imported, you'd land on the dashboard, your financial command center. At the top, you'll see essential metrics: total sales, purchases, expenses, and VAT balances. Each metric includes trend indicators, giving you a quick sense of performance. The sales versus purchases chart gives you a month-by-month view of business activity. This helps you spot shifts in momentum immediately. Next to it, the expense breakdown shows exactly where your money is going. Identify cost-heavy areas at a glance, from rent to marketing and operations. As you scroll, you'll also see your top customers and top suppliers ranked by value. Simply click a stat card to drill down into the transaction-level detail behind the number. Everything updates automatically based on the data you imported, with no complicated setup. When you're ready to go beyond the dashboard, open Advanced Analytics and then Pro Analytics from the sidebar. Start with the KPI scorecard, where eKonten.ai evaluates your financial health. It flags risks such as declining margins or cash flow pressure automatically. Next, the cash flow view helps you understand how money is moving in and out of the business. This gives you much better visibility into your operational stability. The working capital section gives you insight into liquidity and short-term financial strength, helping you understand whether the business is positioned to meet its immediate obligations. Identify your highest value customers and analyze supplier dependencies. Uncover patterns that affect profitability and compare performance across daily or monthly periods. If your data includes locations, see exactly where your revenue is coming from by city or country. Now for one of the most exciting features in eKonten.ai, Analytics on the Go. This is your AI-powered financial assistant. Simply start your question with, for example, "Hey eKonten, what's my business health?" The AI responds with clear insights, numbers, and useful recommendations in real time.
Your overall financial health shows a net profit of 486,532.93 AD with total sales of 1,915,038.78 AED and total expenses of 919,593.35 AD. However, a significant portion of your recent months, like January 2025 at minus 48,980.52 AD and March 2025 at minus 15,047.6 AD, show negative net profits, indicating a concerning trend.
Your history is saved, so you can continue analysis anytime. It's like having an analyst around the clock. That's eKonten.ai. From raw data to smart insights in minutes. Sign up today and take control.